Hello KG1. How are you today? Fine? Okay. Open your Connect book, page 36. Let's think about animals. Number 1. Look and say. Elephant, elephant. Monkey, monkey. Giraffe, giraffe. Now, listen. Let's be quiet. Shh. Look, the elephants like water. Again. Let's be quiet. Shh. Look, the elephants like water. Let's be quiet. The monkeys like bananas. Let's be quiet. Shh. Look, the monkeys like bananas. Let's be quiet. Shh. Look, the giraffes like trees and leaves. Let's be quiet. The giraffes like trees and leaves. Another page. 37. Let's think about animals. Number 1. What do the animals eat? Match. Horse eats hay. Horse eats hay. The bird eats seeds. The bird eats seeds. The dolphins eat fish. The dolphins eat fish. The lion eats meat. The lion eats meat. Another page. What is that? What's that? اتفقنا يا حلوين ان ذات دي بشاور على حاجة بعيدة عني مش قريبة. اقول what's that? What's that? Okay. What's that? It's an elephant. What's that? It's a monkey. What's that? It's a camel. What's that? It's a lion. What's that? It's a giraffe. What's that? It's a snake. Another page. Animal habits. Look and follow. The camel lives in desert. The camel lives in desert. The elephant lives in grassland. The elephant lives in grassland. The monkey lives in rainforest. The monkey lives in rainforest. The dolphin lives in the sea. The dolphin lives in the sea. Okay. Another page, page 41. Choose circle and color. The camel. The camel lives in the desert. The dolphin lives in the sea. In the grassland. An elephant. Monkey lives in the rainforest. Another page, playtime. Take Take the animals home. Take the animals home. Number 1, dolphin. Takes the dolphin to the home. Dolphin lives in the sea. Dolphin lives in the sea. Okay, camel. Camel lives in the desert. Camel lives in the desert. Monkey. Monkey lives in the rainforest. Monkey lives in the rainforest. Okay, another page. Look and match, then draw. This page, homework. Goodbye.